ways to spend $100 a month on groceries. These are easy grocery budget ideas that you can incorporate right now to start saving on groceries. The number one way I save money on groceries is by using the ads. Yes, the majority of things that I buy on sale or for my lowest price. Now, when I lived in the big city, I had my choice of grocery stores. So I pretty much would buy nothing on sale, and I really wouldn't buy anything at Walmart for groceries either. I stuck with my Kroger, I stuck with my Save-A-Lot, which was a discount store, any of those discount type of grocery places, but I stuck with the big grocery stores that were focused on groceries, and that's where I got my best deal on the ads. Now that I live in a small town, the majority of my groceries are purchased at Walmart, but the majority of my meats, fruits, and vegetables are purchased on sale at the two small grocery stores that are in my town. I just really don't have a lot of competition, but even with that, I am still able to get chicken for $1.70 a pound on sale this week. So I got this big box of 40 pounds of chicken for $69, which is about $1.70, $1.60, $1.70 a pound. So for us here, that's a really good deal. So for me, it's worth having to repackage this. Okay, that took me 15 minutes to get 40 dinners worth of chicken cut up. Now it's going to take me 5 minutes to bleach my sink and clean up my mess. Hamburger, $2.99 a pound. Roasts, $3.99 a pound. Steak, $4.50 or less a pound. So I just watch my ads and I stock up when things are on sale. This goes into my next tip. Use your freezer. I do not buy chicken ever. I do not buy any meat ever at full price, ever. I do not purchase meat at full price. I only buy it when it's on sale or when I find it on clearance. I find it for a really good deal. I will stock up my freezer out in the garage. Yes, it has saved me thousands of dollars having a big freezer. Only one time have I lost food in my freezer, and let me tell you, for the $150 worth of food that I lost, I have saved tens of thousands of dollars over the last 25 years that I've had a freezer. It has definitely been worth it. And as far as freezing meats, I don't do anything big. I just throw my chicken in there. I don't rewrap it. I don't vacuum seal it, nothing like that. I just throw it in the package in there. Just keep a rotation going, the new stuff on top. When the new stuff is gone, then I start using the bottom and refill the top and just rotate back and forth until I'm out of meat on one shelf. Then that's going to be my new shelf for stocking, and I use the other shelf. The next step for using your freezer is make organizing easy. I have one shelf for chicken, one shelf for pork, one shelf for ground beef, and one shelf for roasts, turkeys, those types of things. That way I can just look at a glance and see, oh, I'm almost out of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I know I need to go buy some. Okay, I'm gonna go get some boneless, skinless chicken breasts the next time they're on sale. The best way I know to keep track of prices is to use something like my price book. The link is in the description below for you to grab one of our price books, but here's how I keep track. I just write in here how much something is. $1.47, let's say $1.97 for chicken. Okay, is that a good deal? Well, right now it's a good deal. Oh, chicken's on sale for $1.77. So I just erase it and put $1.77 and the date. Then I know in probably 2 to 3 months it's going to go on sale for that price again. That way I can watch for the lowest price, and then I stockpile when it goes down to my lowest price. The next one is stop buying drinks like sodas. You are literally peeing your money down the toilet when you buy things like bottled tea, bottled coffee, bottled sodas, bottled water, energy drinks, juice, excess milk. You are literally peeing all your money down the toilet. You are flushing your money down the toilet, literally, people. I don't know how to get this across to people. They do not understand how much money they are spending on drinks. Do the math. I don't think people fully understand how much time they are working to pay for drinks. Let's say You buy 3 12-packs of soda at $10 a pop. That's what it is at my grocery store right now. $9.99, so we'll round up to $10, okay? So let's say you're spending $30 a week just on sodas. That doesn't include the juice, the coffee, all the other stuff, just on sodas. $30 a week on sodas is $120 a month. If you make $20 an hour, that means it costs you 8 hours worth of work a month. You have to work 1 day. You could take off 1 day from work a month if you did not buy 3 12-packs of sodas a month. You could take off a full day of work every month. You could have a vacation day if you just saved on those sodas alone. Let's say you add your milk, your juice, all of those in there, you could easily be spending $300 to $400 a month. Let's say you're spending $300 a month just on drinks. That's very plausible from the things I've seen in the grocery store carts. That is 20 hours, 2.5 days worth of work. You could take off each month, a half a week. You could take off 2.5 days a month just by not paying for drinks, because you have to calculate if you're making $20 an hour, that's $15 after taxes. That doesn't include all the money you spend driving back and forth to work and all of that. To 25 hours a month just buying drinks. Get this through your head. You're working to literally pee your money away, guys. You're literally working to pee your money away. Okay, I don't know if I've gotten that point through, but the next one is cook at home. If you do not know how to cook at home, get our Dining on a Dime cookbooks. Quick and easy recipes to get you in and out of the kitchen fast. Your family will love them. I have chronic fatigue syndrome and fibromyalgia. I spend less than 15 to 20 minutes is all I spend cooking dinner a night. I don't spend hours in the kitchen. We sit down more nights than not to eat dinner. I'm not gonna say I cook dinner every single night. There's about 2 nights a week that I don't cook dinner, but 5 to 6 nights a week I cook dinner. And I'm not in the kitchen for more than 15 or 20 minutes. Dining on a Dime cookbook, get the link in the description below. Easy recipes, honey baked chicken, maple glazed chicken. So you can throw several things in the crock pot. We have a really good bean goulash that you can throw in the crock pot before work. You can throw your chicken legs in the crock pot, your boneless, skinless chicken breasts. That's a huge way to save money on your grocery bills, is to stop getting all the convenience foods and start just cooking at home. It doesn't mean you have to make every single thing from scratch and that it has to be hard. If you are enjoying these videos, would you please hit that like button right below and give us a thumbs up. That helps YouTube to know that you guys are enjoying these videos, and that helps me to stay encouraged to make more videos on how you can save more money on your grocery budget. Okay, I know I'm gonna get a lot of flack for this one, but stop buying stuff like the healthy, organic, non-GMO, all that kind of stuff. Listen, stop worrying about it. It's okay. Just buy regular food, regular ingredients, and you're okay. Most of these things are in your processed foods, which are more expensive anyway, like your Doritos, your Cheetos, your Pop-Tarts, your instant oatmeals. All of those types of things are more expensive and not healthy. I mean, I think it's fine in moderation. It's not going to do anything to you, but they are more expensive. So stop buying all your non-GMO, non-organic, organic, and just go with your regular fruits and vegetables. Just peel them, wash them, and you will be perfectly fine, but you will save a ton on your grocery bill. Another way I spend $100 per month per person on my grocery bill is I don't buy all the junk food and the snacks for the kids, guys. When we go to the grocery store, usually it's mom or dad grocery shopping by themselves without the kids, if possible. But there was plenty of times I had to take my kids to the grocery store to go grocery shopping. And I never, ever, ever bought them a special treat just for going to the grocery store with me. They don't need a special treat just for going to the grocery store. So I never bought them anything special like the Pop-Tarts or the Doritos or anything like that. We got 2 bags of chips a week for a family of 6. When they were gone, they were gone. I did not get the prepackaged foods. All of the prepackaged foods I don't buy. I just don't buy them. I don't buy the prepackaged and pre-cut up fruits and vegetables. I don't buy the little packets of chips. I don't buy the little packets of drinks for their lunch boxes. My kids were horribly abused and never got any of those things except for special occasions. Those usually showed up in their stockings or their Easter baskets. It was a special treat. It was not something that we had on a regular basis. Next is, and I know I'm guilty of this, stop eating so much food. As Americans, the majority of us are overweight. Just stop eating so much darn tootin' food. I know I'm just as guilty. I have chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia. I am tired all the time. I eat to try and give me some energy that I never have. And I know I shouldn't do that. But guys, really, this is one way you can save money on your grocery bill. Now, I still spend $100 per person per month, even though I eat more snacks than I should. But if you're really overeating, over drinking, all of those sodas, milks, juices, your kids do not need to be carrying around a sippy cup with juice and milk all day long. Cut back on those things and you will definitely save on your grocery bill. Go watch this video next on more ways to save money. We will see you guys next time, livingonadime.com.